Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be teaching you awkward shapes OLL. Yes, you heard that right. Awkward shapes OLL. So, awkward shapes OLL, very easy. But some of the awkward shapes OLL are a little bit harder, but in most cases these are very easy. So, before teaching you all the alg, as you can see, a complete different background, but worth lighting. I know, and yeah, I'm not at home. Different background, worth lighting because I have not used light. Only one light I have, that a bulb that I have here. So this is not my room or stuff like that. This is just my aunt's kitchen table because I love woody backgrounds, and mostly I love woody and black backgrounds. That's why it is the color. Yeah. So I'm thinking of making also this video shout out. I have a shout out on this video. So this video shout out goes to Vharun cubing. Yes, you heard that right. And Vharun cubing and X-Men gaming both have commented on my previous video. So yeah, they were getting shout out. So if you want shout out, just let me lock the exposure. Okay, if you want shout out, just comment anything comes in your mind, and if you comment and if you click the subscribe button, you have 80% of winning the giveaway or the getting shout out. So yeah, it's been 2 minutes. I have not taught any arc. So yeah, so let me show the first arcs. So yeah, this is a case number 1. Looks like kind of like this L line or some sort of L. Yes, L. One corner oriented, headlights facing to top, that way. Flip. How to apply? Apply soon F sexy F prime, and which will completely solve this, but this is not a OLC algorithm. Okay, let me show the next case. How to apply this first recognition like this. This is a case, looks like kind of this. How to apply the arc is very great. Back soon. Yes, I'm got little bit faster. Back soon. F sexy F prime. Yes, very easy. And this is one of the longest awkward shape OLL. So let me show the next case. So this is the next case, oriented. Flip. One flip to this way, one flip to this way. Flip. How to apply? F. Now, yeah, so how to recognize this is just doing F, moving this pair over to there, then R, U2. Now it. How? You can do this, or you can do F, double these two finger, inserting that pair over here, inserting, then moving this U, then taking out again with the U2, then matching the pair and inserting. So this is the way of executing this act and applying this act. So yeah, so let me show the next one. Same as last one, but this block is not over to here, over to here. Same recognition. How to apply? R2 D, R U R prime D, R2 U prime R prime U prime R, and lastly J perm. You might not get J perm, any other PL you can get. So yeah, what the hell? Oh my god, I'm scared of my cubes. So yeah, I know this video is not too long because I don't want to make the video too long. Block. R2. Now how to do R2. Then push with this finger. What the hell? So as you saw only how the cube has been exploded. So now let me go over the arcs and execution. So this is not really a nice better solution to this case. There's only this solution and not a better way to recognize, but still this okay. R2, then push with this finger, then prime R prime, then moving that, and yeah, it might take a little rough time, but slowly you will get expert at it. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and if you have watched till now, next video is on giveaway. I've made the video just required to upload, so subscribe for staying tuned. Until next time, happy cubing, bye. And wait, I forget to give the like aim. Oh my gosh. So this video like aim is how much? Yes, this video like aim is 3 likes. Yes, only 3. Because last video also I have not got any like. So this video like aim is 3 likes. So please do that. So bye.